The world is making a sharp pivot towards green energy, and according to the International Energy Agency, one commodity that is crucial to that transition is copper. Copper is both relatively easy to shape and a great conductor of electricity. And as electric vehicles, solar farms, wind farms, and other renewable energies seek to replace oil and gas, copper is likely to be in high demand. Copper demand is set to more than double by the year 2040, and copper is used very heavily in wind turbines, for instance, which requires 8 metric tons of copper per megawatt. An electric vehicle car needs double the amount of copper that a regular petrol diesel vehicle does. So do check out the link for a fascinating report from the International Energy Agency on the role of critical minerals in a clean energy transition. Now, just notice copper prices that over the last sort of few weeks, we've seen copper move between its 100 and 200 exponential moving average. And the concerns of a slowing global growth, stronger dollar, has just been weighing on copper prices recently. But do notice that there is a very strong seasonal pattern for copper that's coming up. And if the answer is yes, copper is likely to be in more demand as we move into the future, then these seasonals could potentially offer a good time to buy into the base metal from a seasonal perspective. Notice how over the last 52 years, copper between November the 23rd and March the 3rd has gained 34 times for an average of 5.71%. From a seasonal perspective, this does potentially offer the best time to enter the copper market. Major trade risks. There are significant risks here. Not least is that the Fed keep hiking aggressively to contain US inflation. That can result in a stronger dollar. It can also weigh on copper prices as it hits global demand's outlook. Remember as well, there is the potential for global demand to generally fall, and that also would impact copper demand as well as activity out of China. Remember, don't just trade it, but season exit.